The leaky faucet, raising your water bill one drip at a time. But is there another problem you can't see? While a small leak may just need a simple fix, it could be a larger problem. If you notice a leak, it's best to call a professional before a few drips turn into a plumbing emergency. Save yourself the hassle and save your water bill. Call to schedule your service.
Cooper Plumbing.